Hi. Okay. So let's wait for like a few minutes so that everyone can join. And today, I know it's a hi Shweta. Today, hi Deepti. Today is about mandala. Hi Praroom 2020. Hi Shita. Hi Mumbai Drone 3. Okay, that's for like a few more minutes, like 1 or 2 minutes, then we can start. And meanwhile, whoever joined, guys, you need hi, Fiona, Arisha, Ara. So you need a paper, a pen, and basic stationery to draw circles and strains and other basic stationery. So meanwhile, while we are waiting for everyone to join, make sure you are ready with the supplies. Hi Andra, how are you? Hi Lavanya. Hi Sunandini Suman. Nice. Okay. So hi Hema. Just be ready with the material. Hi Vinita. And as I showed you last time as well, my drawing book for practice. So I'm going to show you a few of the basic design. Let's see what's in the drawing. I'll take on the questions and I'll answer each and every comment. So if you stuck somewhere, if you hi or me, if you stuck somewhere, if you have any question, if you have any doubts, make sure you write it down so that once I finish the drawing, I can go back and see the comments. Please repeat. Chandni. Chandni, you need a paper. Any white, any color paper is fine. Is fine. Like कोई भी एक पेपर लेना है and you need a paper, pen, a pencil and basic stationery. Let's see what Sumati Devraj. Okay, let me just start. So give me like 2 seconds. I just move the camera and then I'll start with the drawing. How you need to finish it. Prachi, I just repeated, you need a paper, pen, pencil, and basic stationery to draw a circle and all. And maybe a eraser would be fine. And if you don't have a eraser, don't worry, we can still work without that. Priyatha 1309. Okay, you wanted to join? Please join. A4 size, any size is fine. Hi.
Hi.
You want to say something? Your pen is showing. Show me your face.
Sorry. Yeah. We've just starting, right?
Yeah, we just starting. So you need to make sure that you have all the supplies. And once I finish the drawing, you can ask any questions.
Yeah.
Do you have anything to share right now?
I can't just let me get my earphones.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, tell me.
Do you have
I
anything?
have a paper. I don't have A4 sheet, but I have this
Any
drawing
paper,
sheet.
any paper is fine.
Okay, okay.
And do you have anything else to share? Or I can start with the drawing.
You can start with the. I've got a pencil pen.
Sorry?
Hello. We can get started.
Yeah. So just let me cut the call so that I can talk to everyone and we can answer. Guys, okay. Okay. Just a second. So this will be your mandala for today. You can take a screenshot, you can take a picture from other phone. So this will be your reference image for today. And how to draw it, that I come to like after like maybe 5 minutes, so that I can explain all the details and how you should start, because for many of you it may be first time. So before starting any mandala or any drawing, make sure you practice. So these are the basic shapes which you can draw and do practice. How to do it? You need a plain paper, or any paper for that matter is fine. You just need a paper and make squares. Straight line banate, make a square and try to draw within that square only. 8 square में ही बनाना है, so that you have a practice 8 शेड में या 8 part में कैसे draw करना होता है, right? So this is very basic shapes. These shapes can be used in mehendi for any design for that matter, and these are just lines to draw. And meanwhile, once you've done the practice with the basic shape, you can fill it up like something like this. एक बार राउंड बनाना शुरू कर दिया है, एक बार इसका प्रैक्टिस हो जाए, you can fill it up with different shapes and designs. See, 1 2 3 4 5, these all are variants of different filling design, but base सबका एक ही है. So you need to practice with the lines first, and to practice you need to make a sheet something like this with the pen or paper or pencil, make a square and do a lot of practice. And let me just show you my practice first. So this is what I do for practice. I made a square a lot of on one page, because I have a A3 sheet which is very big, like larger than a A4 sheet. So I draw a lot of small square and then I start drawing it. And once I am comfortable with the basic design, I draw the bigger square. So these are different patterns which you can fill on your mandala. Now come to the mandala, how we should draw it. Just a second, I'll just come to my drawing pad page. Just give me a second so that I can find my drawing page. Okay. Okay. So this is what we are going to do, something like this or that. How we can do this from this to this and to the complete page, that's what I'm going to show you. So what you need is, you need to make concentric circle, make a lot of concentric circle, and you can make as big or as small gaps. जरूरी नहीं है कि इतना ही ड्रैप होना चाहिए. It depend on you at what level of drawing you are. If you are beginner, make sure your difference between two circles should be around 1 inch. But if you are on a different level, you can draw very small circle and fill it up. Okay, so height of my stand is not much. Let me just draw a few circles and then I come back on the camera. Meanwhile, what you need to do is, you need to make at least 5 or 6 concentric circle, any size, any shape, like circle shape. So any size is fine. You just need to draw as many circles as you can. Just draw a few circles and then we can start. I'm just drawing my 3 circle and not equal, that is all. So don't worry about it. Okay. You guys draw your circle. If you are done, just give me a thumbs up so that I know you are done. Okay, so what you need is you need to make different circles, and these circles should be concentric. 80 center से draw करना शुरू करना है. Like जब अपना ये कंपास लगाना है ना, तो 80 सर्कल लगाना है एंड उसका डायमीटर बढ़ाते जाएंगे एंड देन ड्रॉ एज मेनी सर्कल एज यू कैन. So just draw the circles and one का मतलब क्या है? Same center से you can Archana, this is the own paint drawing. So you need to draw the circle first. Make the circle as many circles as you can. It's showing you need to be a little patient. Just be a little patient because it's a little longer session. So just draw as many circles as you can. And once you are done, just give me a thumbs up. 3 certain, 4 certain, even 2 certains are fine. It depends on you how big you want your mandala. If you want your mandala to be big like I have on my wall, you can draw a smaller one. If you want something which is like on my drawing page 1, you can draw many certain. It depends on you how many certains you want. Just draw as many certain as you want. 2, 3, 4, 5 doesn't matter. Minimum 2 certain, just draw so that you know how outside of the certain. Just draw as many. Have you guys finished? Just give me a thumbs up so that I know you are finished and I can move forward for the next one. Finish. Okay. Now, for first circle, because I already draw on the first circle, so that was my first circle. Now, what you need to do is you need to take your scale, and from the center, just start drawing the lines. So by this, what we are trying to do is we are making the sections. Just draw the lines. Make sure जो भी line है वो आपके center से जरूर जाए. The line should go by your center. That is mandatory. Otherwise क्या होगा, वो sections बराबर नहीं होंगे. So just make few sections, and once you have made your sections, what you need to do is each and every section we need to fill with one design. So you can either choose from these or you can use your imagination. You can use any shape, any size, any different drawing on every circuit. It depends on you. So what I did is I just made the kind of a mehendi design. If you have seen mehendi design on any hand or any online page, they have these kind of drawings. So I just had made this. You can use any of the pencil or pen. I mostly prefer using pen so that I don't have to worry about yaar itna kharab bana hai ya kuch, because my drawing is like about my perception, not about anyone else. So once you finish with one section, you need to repeat the same drawing in each and every section. That is what I did. If you see this section, I have draw the first these two leaves and then these two, and that is the only the repeat of the same design in every sections. So what you need to do is you need to start with the first section and just draw anything which comes to your mind first and just go about it. If you are not comfortable with pen, like if it is your first time or like if you are beginner, don't worry, you can use pencil as well. I also use pencil sometime, but because I already have a baseline to work on, I am using my pen directly on my sheet. And just do the drawing and don't worry about it kaisa lag raha hai, because it's just a drawing right now. Once you finished all the sections and complete the full mandala, it would be very different. So you need to start drawing it. And if anyone missed the first part, like if somebody just joined now, you need a paper, any kind of drawing paper, normal paper, or any copy paper is fine. Then you need to draw concentric circles on the same paper. And then once you are finished with the concentric circle, you can make different like sections on the same part. क्योंकि क्या हो रहा है, जितना छोटा पार्ट हो रहा उतना ज्यादा इजी हो रहा हमारे लिए काम करना. जितना लाइक if I tell you to work fill up the whole circuit with one design, it will be very overwhelming for anyone, even for me. So what I did is I just make the small sections and I am just starting drawing with the one section at a time. I'm using normal gel pen. You can use any of the pen, whatever you want. Wall pen I normally don't use because those are not very smooth to draw. But if you are comfortable, if you have a good quality wall pen, that will also work. Now, so my first part is finished. Now what I do is I finish this part. It's not compulsory you have to follow the each and every design in every certain. You can make what you like. Something like this. It's just like how you are filling your sections. And once you finish one section, it would be much more easy for you to fill the complete drawing. So just do one section at a time. Don't be overwhelmed यार इतना बड़ा है कैसे हो रहा. Just do one section at a time. So this is also can be done, but it's up to you what you want your section to look like. And once it by sections ban jata na, it will be much more easy to just copy on everywhere. So now I am just going for next part, like next level of circle. So I always draw from inside to out because it gives me like more control on my drawing. अदरवाइज क्या होता है ना कि जब बाहर से अंदर ड्रॉ करते हैं ना तो पता नहीं चलता कितना स्पेस बचा है. So I mostly draw from inside out. If you want, you can draw from outside in, like from the outermost circle and go inside. Asha, and let me finish the drawing and then I'll take the call. As I mentioned earlier as well, in the starting of the call, you may also not have many questions. So let me just finish it. so that if you step somewhere, if you have made anything, or if you want to share anything, it would be much more easy for us. And we are coming up with the one-on-one sessions as well. So if you have more question like नहीं मेरे को तो और सीखना है, then you can contact us for one-on-one session as well. And we will see how we can organize it, like maybe on online classes or something, because we are working on our app and we are coming up with more courses soon. It will be again special because again our special rates are coming. We have 4 new artists, special artists, to come and share their knowledge and their craftsmanship with us. So on weekend it would be very special. It will take a little time, like an hour or 2 or 3. It depends on your speed as well. So it take a little time, but it will be done. Like don't be very like यार बहुत ज़्यादा है. It's not too much. It's just देखने में बड़ा है, but once you divide it in a small part, it will be very easy. Do you guys understood what I said? How to make it, how to go about it? If you understood, just give me a thumbs up so that I know you understood and I can like take that question, or I can like do the drawing only. That will also be fine with me. If you wanted to ask any questions, or if you wanted to share anything, just give me a thumbs up so that I can move the camera and then I take the questions and calls later on. And especially अभी शुरू किया अधूरा छोड़ना है, सबको फिनिश करके you have to send me pictures. And if you send me like 20-25 pictures after finishing it, ऐसा नहीं कि एक ही बंदे को भेजना है, but I know a lot of people are watching. So if you are watching me, if you send me your pictures and if I get like 20 pictures, maybe I do the Zentangle Doodle or Zendana 2 in like next few weeks. But I wanted to see if you guys are doing it or not. और इफ यू नीड एनी हेल्प, ऐसा नहीं है कि बस करते जाना है और पीछे छोड़ते जाना है सीट पे. इट शुड नॉट बी लाइक दैट. सो लेट मी नो इफ यू it need a lot of practice, because it may be your first time, it may be your second time, but every drawing, every mandala is very different for everyone. So I advise you to practice a lot. Like for example, let me show you this one. So what I did is I was not able to figure out कि कैसे बराबर करना है. तो what I did is, ये देख रहे हैं ना, यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे कुछ भी है ही नहीं. So it take time, take your time and just draw it. And once you draw, maybe it's not necessary वो symmetric ही होना चाहिए. If you want, you can make a leaf around it, like something like this. You just draw a vein and just draw leaves around it. It would also be good. It ऐसा नहीं है कि सिमेट्रिक नहीं है या कुछ भी है तो so it's not that. It's like you have to practice a lot, practice as much as you can, because the thing is कि हम बोल तो देते हैं कि हाँ ऐसे बना लो, स्टेप बाय स्टेप ऐसे चल जाएगा, बट हर बार ऐसा होता नहीं है. बिकॉज like if I do something like this, तो मेरा स्ट्रेट लाइन आएगा, बट नॉट नेसेसरी सब स्ट्रेट लाइन बनाए तो सबका स्ट्रेट लाइन आए, या मैं सर्किल बना रही हूँ तो मेरा सर्किल बराबर आ रहा है या नहीं आ रहा है. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन हाउ मच प्रैक्टिस यू डू, इट डिपेंड्स ऑन दैट. एंड इफ यू फील लाइक यार कहीं पे ना ये आ रहे हैं, if you see my drawing closely, you will see very marks here and there. What I do is, for that I actually fill up the gap. थोड़ा लाइन मोटा हो जाएगा, but it would be much better than the crooked lines. I always, what I do is, जब भी मुझे लगता है ना कि ये ऊपर नीचे जा रहा है या ऐसे हो रहा है, just put a lot of lines around it. And same for this. If I can show you close up. Oh, reprinting. If I can show you close up, ये देख रहे हैं ना, यहाँ पे बहुत इधर उधर लाइन्स हैं. Ink around it so that it will hide those lines. So, okay, let me just change the camera. The question, because it will be very difficult for me to see the question. Okay, give me a second. I'll just stable my stand, and then I'll take the that I can answer what all you can do. Okay, let's see. Please repeat the supplies. What you need. You need normal stationery, paper, pencil, and pen. That's it. You don't need any special supplies for mandala. Hi, Pranila. Can you repeat? Yes, sure. So, where is that page? So, you need to make many concentric circle, make section. Make sure your all section line go through your center point, and then you start filling up with the one section and just repeat it for that circle. How many centimeter, Chandra? It depends on you. You can make like 1 centimeter apart circle, or you can make as many circle as you want. Jitna dur banana, jitna pass banana, it's up to you. Three circles are fine. Definitely any number of circles are fine. Shruti, I don't have count. You can use any of these kind of things to draw circle. Any dhakkan or any slate is also fine. Difference between circle, it depends on you, whatever you are comfortable with. Which pen we should use? You can use any of the pen. I use mostly this gel pen. It's very easily available, but you can use any of the pen, whatever it's available for you. One half we have to do correct. Not one half, only one section you need to finish, and then you just need to copy it in all the sections for that circle. Line as in on direction, yes, you need to make the sections something like this, and then just draw in each section. Any dark color pen will do, yes. Okay. Yes, you can take the screenshot of this one. It will be very easy. And once I finish my other one, we will put it on Insta story and Facebook post. So you can download it from there. It's not coming out as symmetrical as it should be, because you need to do practice. So do a lot of practice and it would be much more easy. I am drawing, but sizes are not even. That is the same thing. You need to practice a lot. Yep. That's why I showed you this sheet. You make like 10 or 20 sheets like these, and then just practice, and then start drawing. Second circles are done. How to move for third one, that you did for सेकंड एंड फर्स्ट वाले में हमने क्या किया था, एक सेक्शन फिल किया था, जस्ट रिपीट किया था ना. सेम गोज फॉर दिस वन. यू नीड टू fill one section and just repeat it. My sections are not equal, Shweta. It will take a little time, but don't be disheartened. You need to practice a little more, and it would be much more better next time, I promise. And I am speaking out of experience, because पहले मेरे भी नहीं आते थे, but you need to do a lot of. See if I have any question on Instagram as well. Okay. Now if someone wants to do a video call on Insta, they can send me a video request. I'll add them in the same call. We need A4 size paper. Any size of paper is fine. Like for example, this one is A4 sheet. This one, I don't know the size of this one, but for this one, the size is A3. So any size is fine. Whatever, you can easily find it at home. Which drawing forms do you teach? I teach a lot of drawing form. I know a lot of drawing, painting, and art and craft. So if you be a little more specific what you wanted to learn, I can do that as well. Okay. Show the first sheet again from far. I already did that. I hope that is fine. Priyanka, I am doing all activities and also be can follow. Like ऐसा नहीं है मैं कोई ऐसी चीज करवा रही हूँ जो सिर्फ adults के लिए है. I am making it very simple so that any kid or any adult can follow me. And if you can go back and watch our previous video, you will see a lot of workshop, a lot of tutorials there. अगर ये कट रहा है या बीच में कुछ हो रहा है ना, so you need to put a lot of ink around it. It would be fine. Sashi Edward, please show more. As I said earlier, I am not at home. I don't have more things with me, so you need to wait for me to come back India. Okay, do all drafts have to fill, or we can erase the line in between the drawing? So if you are using pen, once you finish your complete mandala, you can remove all the, like, erase all the lines in between the drawings. Can you put the sheet in the center? Already did that. Do all the drafts need to be filled? No. The difference pattern sheet show, again already did that. Okay, so I think I answered all the question. Do you have any more question? If you have any doubts, if you are making it with me or after watching the video, later on, do send me pictures. And I'll be waiting for Arisha and Aryan, I think, if I am not mistaken, because they send me. I remember their name as well. Let me just check if I said the name correctly. In Arab. So I'll be waiting for your pictures, and once you finish, if you stuck somewhere, don't worry. You can send me any doubts, any pictures, and I'll see and I'll help you out to move forward. Okay, I think you guys missed it. So it's not a very specific sheet. You can make your own sheet. It's not so very specific. लिया तो लाइफ जिंदा डाला, ऐसा नहीं होने वाला है. You need to draw a lot of pattern. Let me just show you the size of my book, then maybe you understand. So this is the size of my book, and I have just for the practice. It's just a basic example how you can make the practice sheet, and just practice a lot, make a lot of 10 or 20 times, it would be much more better. We are planning for Zentangle next week, because this week schedule is already finalized, and for weekend special artists are coming, like for Shivori, for tie and dye, for gift wrapping, a lot of people are coming. So once I have a free slot for me, I definitely do the Zentangle as well. Anything else you guys wanted to share? Do you guys want to share anything? Have anyone made something which they wanted to share, or they wanted to ask something? Thumbs up if you understood everything. Not. And make sure when you start drawing with pen, एक और चीज है, टेस्ट योर पेन फर्स्ट कि बराबर से रन कर रहा है या नहीं कर रहा है. There should not be any broken line. So just do a test with the circle drawing, and you will see if your pen is working fine or not. Okay. Thanks, Shashi, Sweta, Rishita. If you have anyone wants to join me, or should I now? Think everything is clear for today. For tomorrow, let me just see. Okay, let me talk about tomorrow session. So tomorrow will be the vegetable block printing. वेजिटेबल ब्लॉक प्रिंटिंग से मतलब क्या है? नॉर्मली ब्लॉक प्रिंटिंग वुडन ब्लॉक से होती है, मेटल ब्लॉक से होती है. but tomorrow we are going to use the vegetable for making blocks and do the block printing. So for that you need one big potato, एक बड़ा potato, and knife and normal acrylic color and one sheet of paper. You need all those things for tomorrow. Can you show more patterns so that we can get to know more? See, these are just the basic design. Once you are comfortable practicing with these, it would be much more easy for you to move forward. Today was Rupa. Rupa, today was mandala. We already finished the session because we already finished. That's why you can't see. So for tomorrow, we will be doing the vegetable block printing as well as, because we did this a lot whenever I do vegetable block printing for kids. कि यार vegetable waste हो जाएगा, उसका क्या? So we are not going to waste any of the vegetable. I am going to show you how to use the same vegetable which you use for block printing to put it in your garden. Patterns for the concentric circle to draw in. Actually, that's called mandala. I'm going to show you how to make the blocks out of vegetable and then how to use those vegetable, because we can't cook with those painted blocks. So how to use those blocks to put it in your garden and maybe harvest it in like next few weeks. So that's what my plan is for tomorrow. And what else? Oops. And after that, next day will be the painting workshop. So for that, I'll share the pictures on our WhatsApp and WhatsApp and Telegram groups, which we made a few days back. If you want to be added on those groups, just send us the messages, because we don't share the personal WhatsApp group or WhatsApp number or any kind of contact details of the instructor. And you can get all the information from there, or anyway we put everything on our Insta story and Facebook post, so that would also be okay if you are not in any of the group, or because we are stopped doing the so that's what we are doing. Anyone else have a question? And we are working on a lot of more classes for kids and as well as adults, and as well as a family, what you can do. So it will take like maybe more 2 or 3 weeks more, and we will be sharing that news soon. So if you have any questions, anyone wants to join me on Insta? Okay, I think everything is clear. More patterns, I can show you many patterns, but those are available online. These are already available online. You just need to search a Google search, see what patterns for mandala. Thank you, Manveen. Thank you for stating it, because like I know it's a lockdown. Everyone is at home for like more than a month, and everyone is becoming very impatient. It's not because people are like that, because we are in a lockdown and if we are not able to go out and do anything, and that's why everyone is becoming a little impatient. Even we are also becoming a little impatient, but I request to everyone, be a little more patient with us, and we will be sharing all the resources soon, because even if I show you a picture like this, how you would use it. So we are trying to combine all the resources in a PDF so that you can download it, or maybe make a video around the same activity, and you can watch it later on, like again and again, and then it would be much more easy for you to follow. So don't worry, we are going to share everything. We don't hide anything like many people. And I really appreciate how you guys doing different art forms with us. Do share your pictures. Don't forget to tag us on your post on Facebook and Insta. It's the same thing, @hobbyinabox.in. And if you are missing any of the videos, don't worry. If you are late, don't worry about it. You can watch the same video later on Facebook or on YouTube. Because on Instagram, it will be on stories for only for 24 hours. So you can watch it later on Facebook or on YouTube, anywhere. You just need to search Hobby in a Box and you will see all the video list there. So that is all for today. Thank you, Lipitra Savantra. Thank you so much. And that is all for today. Finish your drawing, send me pictures, send me your mandala pictures, and we will put it on our post and on our stories. And when you send it, make sure you write your name on the drawing so that we know which drawing belongs to whom. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, and be ready with the vegetable knife, paint and paper. Bye bye.